Hi there, welcome to the sale of this Toyota Hilux. This is a 2017 active double cabin 2.4 turbo diesel. It's done 53,000 miles. Good specification. It's got air conditioning, ABS brakes, remote central lock-in, 4-door electric windows. This is a Euro 6 model, so it's city centre compliant, finished in black, looks really good. Probably the most robust pickup trucks that we sell, the Hilux. And let me take you around and show you it. So it's sat on black steel wheels. It looks really good with black. Got some quite heavy pattern tyres on this truck. And so its own tyre on the rear here as well. Got a fitted Bodyliner in the back here. This truck's got a Towbar fitted. Same tyre, branded tyre here on the back as well. And on the front. So inside is power heat for a winter's day, height adjust on the front headlights, 4-door electric windows, can be controlled from the driver's door here, airbags in the driver's seat. It's got switchable engine maps. It's got a regular map and then a mellower map for better MPG and a more aggressive map if you were towing. Air conditioning, traction control, diff lock down here as well. 6-speed manual, auxiliary plug-ins on the stereo, Bluetooth on the stereo, answer telephone on the steering wheel. There's a little computer display as well that can be seen on the screen on the front here. Nice big roomy cabin for double cabin pickup. There's a little top cubby box there that AC gets pumped into, so it actually refrigerates. And then it's got the traditional Hilux Toyota styling from the dash point of view. In the back has centre seat belt there, inertia, centre inertia seat belt, yeah, Isofix seating. Nice roomy cabin. So we do have a white solid-sided hardtop canopy that could be included in this sale of this vehicle. We can give quotes of finance on these Hiluxes. Options up to 5 years and a deposit to try and suit you. We'll consider a part exchange and we can give quotes to have it delivered to your area. But it's always better to come here and view the trucks, drive the trucks, and see them in person. A lot of people want things delivered straight away these days, but it's always better to come out and look at what you're buying. 3.5 ton tow capability on that truck, Euro 6 city centre compliant truck. Like I said, we'll take a part exchange, so please do give us a ring on 01380 818 311. Thank you very much for looking.